Okay, so this is the version 1.7. It's now starting to look pretty nicely. So what we have is, you can see it's a bit more darker. The big thing is you now have a preview. So for example, again, if you load a sample and then I parse it here and then I rebuild it, this is the same as before, right? What we have now is have a preview. So you can actually see what this HTML looks like. And that's a nice split view here, right? So again, just very quickly, if we edit this and I go, I title like that and a bold, and maybe change that to an I here, you get to see when I parse it now the title is there and the body now has an I there, and then if I rebuild it you get to see that that's a bold item, that's italic, right, and it's there, right? So actually we can change it here, right? So I can edit and I can say an italic item, and then if I rebuild it, there we go, right? So the thing that is quite cool about this view now is you can now basically start to see a bit more complex HTML. I really like this feature. You get a little open up. This is actually using an iframe, which is a very important thing for a lot of the stuff I'm doing here. And that worked pretty well. And again, if there's a bit more complex HTML here, which actually has a little style sheet in there. So again, if we parse this, you get to see the size of the object with all the stuff and all the text that's in here. And when we rebuild it, we actually get to see this nice HTML. And again, I open a new window and like as before, so if you can change the dictionary here and you'll change this information here. You can change the text here. So let's say we're going to change the home to AAA, about PPP, sorry, AAA, PPP, and contact the CCC, and then add some exclamation marks here, and then we rebuild it. There you go, ABBB, etc. Right? Again, that's a nice preview. And then this is also, like I said, a nice view to, if you take all the elements, you get to see all the hashes. So this is fundamentally the bits that will then be replaced with all the components and all the elements. Again, keeping all the HTML structure. So there you go. So it's starting to look really, really nice now. So again, play with it.